Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. As you guys can see, I'm a little bit glammed up for this evening. I do have a black dress on right now. You guys will see later on in the video. I actually have a wedding to go to today. So I want to do a get ready with me, you know, what I use for my foundation, the eyes, and also in today's video, a big shout out to Dossier for sponsoring today's video. So if you guys don't know who Dossier is, they are a perfume company that specializes in luxury fragrances. They take inspiration of our favorites, cult favorites, the most popular ones, and what's great about Dossier as well is that they are a fraction of the price, because we all know perfumes, colognes, all those fragrances, especially the most popular ones, they can cost a little bit pricey. But with Dossier, they are a fraction of the cost. So you can smell just like your favorites, but at an affordable price, and we love that. And speaking of affordability, they do have their Black Friday deals going on. So if you need to stock up on fragrances, this is the time to do it. I need to stock up on my other fragrances as well. So I would definitely take advantage of the Black Friday deals. And what better time to stock up on your favorite fragrances if you already tried Dossier, or if you want to try them out, this is the best time, because again, the Black Friday deals is amazing and you guys definitely would need to stock up on it. Side note, this is including all their fragrances, all of their fragrances. So there's many great points with Dossier. It's a luxury brand. The scent lasts a long time. It is great on your wallet in terms of pricing, and it's even better because of the Black Friday deal. So today, because I'm going to a wedding, I have scents for both me and for Ryan. So his is the Aromatic Ginger right here. So his is the Aromatic Ginger. And today, I'm going to smell a little bit different, and I'm going to be smelling like Aquatic coconut. This is what it looks like right here. So when you do purchase something from Dossier, you do get a information card like this right here. It will tell you the name of it and what the fragrance is inspired by. So for instance, Aromatic Ginger is inspired by Louis Vuitton. So it is the Louis Vuitton scent. I'm not going to try to pronounce it, but I will put a picture somewhere around here so you guys know which one I'm talking about. And then the one I have, the Aquatic Coconut, is inspired by Maison, Margiela, the Replica Beach Walk. That smells just like summer. And today is not too cold, not too warm, so I wanted to have a little bit of summer left, you know, just before we leave Canada, because we are going on our honeymoon soon. So why not have a bit of summer left, you know? So if you guys are interested in checking out Dossier with a range of fragrances between men, women, and also home as well, they got diffusers and candles. Go check their website out. I will leave their website down in the description box below, as well as the fragrances in today's video. With that being said, before we get started with, you know, getting ready with me, be sure you are subscribed to my channel, ring that bell so you're notified when I do upload a new video, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up for me doing a get ready with me, because it's been quite some time since I have done that. And don't forget to follow me on my social media handle right here, and let's get started with the video. Hey guys, how's everybody doing? I'm kind of looking like the landlord lady from Kung Fu Hustle. Anyways, I redid my eyebrows, so on to putting concealer on my eyes, and now to set them with my favorite Kryolan powder. And of course, now we're gonna move on to eyeshadow using the Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes. I absolutely love this palette. It is brilliant, it's beautiful, all the nudes, all the shimmers, and a bit of glam in there. So I've used a fluffy brush and dipping into EE3 and EE7, just blending this all over the lid, and taking another fluffy brush, going back into the EE7, but dipping it from the top instead of the side, so we concentrate that on my eye sockets and just deepening this up a little bit more. Now I'm taking a shader brush and going into the shades EE4 and EE9, and just placing the color on the outer part of my eye, so creating a V. And now taking a clean blending brush, I am going to blend this all out. So this is how we're looking, and I need some shimmer, so I'm going to go in with a flat eyeshadow brush and going in the shades EE2 and EE6. I need a setting spray, and I'm going to spray it so I can get more pigment on here. Now onto eyeliner. I did that off camera, and now it's time for the eyelashes. Curl using the Shu Uemura. And the mascara, I forgot what brand it was, but I'll list it down in the description box below. And of course, it's Asian lash friendly. Side note, we obviously cannot forget the bottom lashes. Can never. So this is what it looks like right now, and it's time to move on to the face. I am going in with two primers, as we all know. The first first one is the Kryolan Ultra Base, and the second one is from Danessa Myricks, is the Universal Blurring Balm Powder, which is not really a powder, it's a balm, but it finishes like a powder. Weird, I know. Time to do some color correcting, and I'm going in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Color Corrector in Light, placing this on the under eye area and the corners of my mouth. So now moving on to my foundation. This is my current favorite, the Lady Gaga foundation. I'm using shade 260 and just placing this all over my face and blending it out. And do we not love this finish? I absolutely love this foundation right now. Take away some of the excess foundation with the beauty blender, and now we are contouring with the Patrick Ta Cream Contour in She's Sculpted. Of course, I gotta contour the nose and my cheekbones. I absolutely love how this contour blends. It's so natural, but yet very noticeable still. So keeping up with the Lady Gaga theme, we are going in with her concealer, and I am in shade 23. We of course need to highlight the areas and my nose, of course, blending it all out with a fluffy blending brush, and of course applying the concealer underneath my eyes, but I will be finishing all this off camera. So this year I got my hands on the Hourglass holiday collection, specifically their ambient palette, and this is the leopard version of it. Look at it, it is so beautiful. Oh my god, the colors. I especially love the blush Mood Exposure, which is on the top right corner, but also very interested in the other blush at the bottom left hand corner. So taking a blush brush, I'm going to take some of that product and apply that on my cheekbones. And me personally, I don't like blushes or any eyeshadows that have pigment right off the bat. I like to build my color. Same thing with my foundation. So to some people, they may not like this, but for me, I love to build up a product so I can pick whether I want intense or not. So I wanted a bit of an extra glow, so I swatched the first two, the finishing powder in dim light and the metallic strobe powder. Now one will be more intense than the other because one is a finishing powder and the other one is a metallic strobe powder, and this is why one swatch is a little bit more blinding than the other. So for me, I went in with the metallic strobe powder, and with a fluffy brush, it distributed the product very beautifully. It is not overly intense, it's not blinding, it's just a nice subtle glow to my face, as you guys can see. So now it's time to add the finishing touches. My earrings are from Ana Luisa, and I will list the product down in the description box below, as well as my necklace. So they are matching and they're very subtle, very dainty, just a nice little detail. I still gotta do my lipstick, but I'll do that afterwards. Time to bring in Ryan, and now I need to spray him with his cologne. I didn't want to spray him in the face, so I was very cautious. So spray on either side of his neck and the wrists, of course. And again, you guys can see I'm like, is this enough? Is this not enough? So now it's time to spray me, but I will spray myself, as you guys can see. Anyways, we're done and ready to go, so see you guys afterwards. Tell Ryan to say bye. So anyways, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this getting ready with me, and you know, having Ryan being as a a guest appearance in today's video. So again, thank you to Dossier, and if you guys are interested in their range of fragrances and home fragrances, of course, be sure you check their website down in the description box below, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.